I really like what LCX have done, man. They really stay active on Twitter. These guys are really focused, family, on being the next exchange to go parabolic. Now, it's a regulated cryptocurrency exchange, compliant. And what we like to see is these crypto projects being active, okay? Being active on Twitter and communicating with the community. Now, last time we talked about LCX, it was about a 36 million dollar market cap. You can see it's sitting at a 52 million market cap, and it's 6 cent, family. So it's not one of those expensive compliant tokens. It is up 7% on the day, but I want you guys to start pairing these tokens based on narratives, okay? Not financial advice, but understand on this channel, we don't fall in love with the projects, we fall in love with the narratives. And one of the narratives in the next crypto bull run will be utility and regulation. And somebody got to replace FTX. All right? I believe we could possibly see a parabolic run from LCX exchange. You can see here that the holders, family, are constantly growing. People are starting to catch up with this project, okay? 15,000 holders here. So that's good that the holder count is continuously rising. Seeing a lot of activity within the ecosystem here as far as it being an exchange. And LCX, when we're talking about institutions and financial payments, maybe we could see LCX be that infrastructure bridge. So bridging traditional finance, the traditional monetary system here with cryptocurrency. And I heard the tech is pretty fast, you know what I'm saying? And I'm really bullish on this project. If it delivers and executes, right? Being a compliant, regulated, centralized exchanges where people can feel comfortable making transactions, holding their crypto if they have to, because we do preach taking your crypto off exchanges, but really giving the customer that bank feel. And that's what we need to see from centralized exchanges. It needs to feel like we're going to the bank. You know what I mean? It needs to feel like we're going to the bank. So I don't know, 6 cent. I think that's a pretty good entry point. I don't think it's too late. This project still is a $52 million market cap. Quant is 1 billion, and I know Hedera is sitting right at that 1 billion mark too. So keep your eye out on LCX. Not financial advice. I'm also gonna give y'all a sleeper before I actually close out the video, which is Hacking Token. Now, if you didn't know, see here, Hacking does audits for all of the compliant and regulated projects and many more. So if you got a hacking audit, hey, maybe, you know what I'm saying, that's a good look as far as transparency. Hacking, is a form of cybersecurity. So you see here, the Hacking Token does audits, and they audit a lot of projects. They even audited LCX here, and it's sitting at an $8 million market cap, family. A $8 million market cap. We're talking about the project that's really out here outside of Certic auditing all crypto projects right now. I think, again, 1 penny is like something psychological about when these projects hit 1 penny. I'm learning that in the crypto space. If a project was $1 or 40, 50 cent, when it hits 1 penny, it seems like everybody wakes up like 1 penny, send it. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta be in the know, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, get all the updates, man. Hacking Token, I'm telling you right now, $8 million market cap. All right, the tokenomics, it's okay, 1 billion tokens, but what we know is that Polygon Matic has 10 billion max supply, and they were able to hit $3. So I just want to keep that in mind, fam. Keep 1 cent. Polygon was able to hit $3. This is an $8 million market cap, okay? Circulating supply sitting at 47%. So a little inflation here. And the fully diluted is about 18 million compared to 8 million. So a little dilution there. So definitely keep that in mind. But I checked the Ether scan. It wasn't that bad. Again, when you look at the market cap here, I think it's a pretty good risk to reward, and they're pretty legit as far as doing audits. So it falls into, you can see the tags here: cybersecurity, AI, big data, enterprise solutions, and smart contracts. I mean, these guys are doing, they're doing audits. They're doing audits. We make Web3 a safer place by protecting projects from getting hacked. This is what we need. This is what we need. You know what I'm saying? So I'm dropping gems, high utility gems that you can actually use, that actually bring value to cryptocurrency and help people. We're about protecting people over here on this channel. Do your own research. Go do your own due diligence on these projects. Again, another project that's very active on Twitter. Very, a lot of activity here going on. So, active project. They just did an audit here on Near Protocol, family. So like and subscribe, man, if you're getting some alpha value over here, man. It's your boy Soapguys TV, Millie. I'm out.